Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about why Citibank and Chase Bank are closing a lot of credit card accounts. Let's go straight into it. If you've been watching this channel for quite some time, you know Amazon has closed a lot of accounts due to non-activity. A lot of department store cards normally, they'll close out accounts if they feel that you're not really using those accounts. And usually, how often do you plan on buying furniture? How often do you plan on buying, TVs and things of that sort? And for whatever reason, department stores have always taken it personal when you're looking to, purchase items. And of course, over time, you just not go inside the store. So over time, they'll close it. And for those who don't necessarily have department store cards, most of the time they give you a nice limit, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and that plays a role in your utilization. So if you want to keep those high limits, you may have to buy something to keep it open. When the account closes, it doesn't necessarily affect your FICO score. The Vantage score drops a little bit. It's almost like Vantage score assumes that because an account closes, it kind of like assumes that you're going to keep that account open, almost as if it knows that the payment history is going to be on time. And so because of that, when an account closes, you actually lose a lot more points as you would, which is very different from my FICO. My FICO really wouldn't too much care, the FICO algorithm I should say, wouldn't too much care if you close out an account. So, but either way, with Citibank and Chase Bank, what they're starting to do, which is major, I've never seen it before, if you're not using their account anywhere between 3 to 4 times a year, okay? So again, I think everyone's card agreement may be a little bit different because again, I have accounts with certain companies. My wife has accounts with certain companies. I see many of my clients with accounts with different types of companies, and I never really see like a tremendous amount of usage. So I strongly recommend using your credit cards every now and then, at least a few times a year. Try your best not to go over 6 months without using it. And one of my clients even got a letter in the mail, and it was from Citibank, and it said essentially, no, I think it was Chase Bank, and what this particular letter said, hey, we're closing your account. And you can call this number to find out what your options are, but essentially using it now won't keep the account open. I think that's kind of messed up because the person, they obviously met the qualifications. It's almost, they're acting like it's almost like it's grant money in a sense, and it's like, hey, if you don't use it, we're going to give it to somebody else. When again, you're forcing people to use their credit cards when there's a million options out there. So it's almost like, how dare you, right? But again, they're the ones with the money, but you can easily take your business elsewhere, or you can continue to play the game that they never give us the rules to. So that's the crazy thing about it. Had people known to just use their credit cards every month or every few months or so, then hey, that would make things a little bit different. So now you're forcing yourself to use these accounts. So, and Citibank had a similar letter, or I believe it was a letter that my client had gotten, and they have been with Citibank for quite some time, like 3 or 4 years. But I think in the last like 9 to 12 months, they haven't really used the credit card, and they said they were closing it. So I just want to kind of just prepare you all for this. So if you've dealt with this situation before, where you have a prestigious credit card, usually American Express doesn't do something like that, but like, Discover, Citibank, Chase Bank, Bank of America, Barclays, the big names, right? And they're closing your accounts. Please leave something in the comments so we can all learn what that process is, because I think everyone's agreements are a little bit different. Clearly, if you had a credit card open for 20 years, your agreement is completely different than a brand new person getting an agreement today. But I think the safest way to do it is just use your credit card every month or every quarter, which is every 3 months for those who don't know. So, but making sure that you have some type of usage, okay? So if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.